Okay, so class, today we're going to learn about some direct and indirect objects. Direct objects are basically used to receive the actions of the verbs, and they take the place of the noun. So, Vasilios, if I give you the sentence, El compra el café, what is the direct object?
The coffee.
That's right. We know this because in the previous sentence, the subject was the man, the verb was compra, and the noun receiving the action was the coffee, since it was giving the action to the verb. And then now I'm going to tell you all the singular and plural direct objects. We know that me could be used for me, te for informal you, lo and la for him, her, and you, which is formal you. We know that nos could be used for us for the informal you, and then los and las for them, for the masculine, feminine, and formal version of you. Also, an easy way to remember this is by using a parody that I made for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but for direct and indirect objects. Do you know direct objects? They are very important. They have to receive the action and describe who performs what. These are the direct objects. Me is me and te is you. Lo and la are him and her. Nos is us. Us is formal you. Los and las are used for you. Alright, Dallas, now you're going to come and read to the class about the indirect objects.
You want me to sing?
Yeah.
Do you know the indirects? They are like, but not quite. Only some words are different, but IOs are used for whom it's done. These are indirect objects, like directs for me is me. Te is also used for you. Let is now both him and her. Nos is used as to and for us. Os is the same as formal you. But les is now for them.
Okay. Alright. Now that we've gone through indirect objects, we know that they're also used to describe whom and for whom an action is done. So Vasilis, if I give you the sentence, yo voy a mandarle dinero, who am I going to send money for?
Him.
That's right. And we know it's because in this sentence, the indirect object is referring to him, since he is going to be sent to Mexico. Now that we went through each singular and plural form of an indirect object, Vasilius, you're going to read the ending of the song.
Now that we need to use both, we need to follow some rules. First is to never use both lay and low. Next, the indirect is always first. When with lo or la, lay becomes say. Just like for los and las, les is also say. Now that we know the objects, we can use them to speak now.
All right. Now that we know both the direct and indirect and how to put them together, that's it.